Welcome to the Prodigy Effect, how to make a coaster in 2 minutes. Good evening guys. So we're going to go and we're going to grab a polygon. I'll put on a pentagon. I'm just going to change the size to 95mm. I'm going to go and I'm going to make it like a 30-sided polygon. I'm then going to go and I'm going to pull in the little edge to turn it into a star. The next step, I'm going to turn the star into a scallop by putting a radius of 5mm on every single corner by selecting all the vertices. Now I'm going to try and decorate this thing and cut out some fancy parts and do some rotations for you. So I've got a circle there of about 10.6mm. I'm going to just move it off center. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to move the rotation point to the center of the circle. I'm going to go over to my transforms command, as you can see over there. I'll show you where to find it in the training session. My angle, I'm going to say 360 divided by 5 is 72. Give me 4 copies. And yes, you can actually do maths directly in there. You don't need a calculator. So I'm dividing by 6 to get angles, and I'm saying I want 5 copies of it. I'm going to draw some extra things in, just randomly, and I'm just going to count with my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Yeah. Put the center on the rotation point on the center. It looks like a little too few circles maybe, but yeah, let's try decorate it a bit more. Maybe this little polygon, I think 6 will fit, possibly 12. Let's see, what can we do with 6? Okay, nah, it looks like a snowflake. I need this better. Let's do 360 divided by 12. Let's say 11 copies. Ooh, it's a bit close to the other circles. Let's move it up, make it smaller maybe. Yeah, let's move it a bit up. Right, 30 degrees, 11 copies. Oops, I didn't set my center point to my rotation point. There, perfect, man. This looks like a very nice little coaster. And you can do that with any shape, anything that really crosses your mind. And then if we want to fill up our sheet real quick, we use the step and repeat functions for horizontal and vertical. And you can set either the spacing between the object. I find works better for setting up your things on your laser, because you can do it exactly to the millimeters you want between them. With the offset, you always got to do the maths, because you've got to think from center point to center point, what will your offset be? And that can be a bit tricky, so just use spacing between objects. Guys, and it is about as simple as that. It won't take 2 minutes to explain, a lot longer, because there's quite a lot of skills in here. But in essence, we will practice how to automate and do awesome things like this. Cheers. Bye bye.